Hey, today I've got a value box of 2025 Bowman. So this is filled mostly with prospects. I don't like value boxes in general. There's not much value to them. You can't expect any hits from them. It's rare that you get anything good, but it's something that I can do to just get a taste of what this set's like. It's just so expensive to buy a hobby box. It's more like $250. So I'll stick with the $30 hobby box. Try my luck like a lottery ticket, and we'll see if anything valuable is in here at all, or anything just worth hanging on to. So, it's got 72 total cards here, divided into these 5 packs. So, I'll start with pack number 1 of 5. Austin Riley, Lawrence Butler, Kobe Mayo, Rafael Devers, Devil Joseph, Zaire Hope, Jackson Humphreys. We've got a foil card of Shaniker Ugarte. And another foil card. This is a first, which is interesting. I guess these are minor leaguers. This one's going to be Hyung Chun Ohm. Then we've got Kyle Tucker and William Contreras, and wrapping up with Bryce Harper. So that's pack number 1. We've got 4 to go. All right, this pack starts off with Shohei Ohtani. We've got Jackson Jobe, Shota Imanaga. We've got a 90-90. It's going to be Jefferson Rojas. James Tibbs III. John Luis, D-back. Cole Fontenelle. We've got a glossy card here of Lazaro Montes. We've got a green Alex Mooney. Gregory Barrios, looks like it might be a team color. We've got Juan Soto, Spencer Schwellenbach, and Ketel Marte. All right, pack number 3. We've got Bo Bichette, Carlos Correa, Mookie Betts. This is a cool cut card of Dylan Cruz. I think this might be really nice. I like this one a lot. This is very cool. Value box already showing some value. Andrew Morris, Ashley Andujar, Aiden Miller. Got a glossy Chase Hampton, Luke Sinnard, another foil card, Thomas Segis, and Randy Arozareno, wrapping up with Will Smith on the Dodgers. 3 packs to go. Okay, this one will start with Brooks Lee, Paul Skeens, Tyler Locklear, got a Leo DeVry VIP, Corey Lewis, Charlie Condon, Cobb Hightower. This is an interesting card. It's kind of like a hand-drawn type thing. We've got Colt Emerson in a glossy card, Adley Rutschman, Luis Angel Acuna, and Matt Chapman. So 2 packs left here. Already pretty impressed with this card. I don't think I've got anything that quite gets up to the $30 value of the box, but who knows. All right, now we've got Hurston Waldrop, Rhett Lauder, Shea Whitcomb. Got a Rockstar card of Reese Hines, Cam Kiminiti, Eduardo Quintero, Cody Freeman. Got a Conrad Olson foil card and a Zach Showalter foil card. Got Jackson Merrill, Shane McClanahan, and dropped Matt Olson there. There he is. Final pack. Let's see what this value box yields. All right, we'll start off with Junior Caminero, Rocky Sasaki, Adrian Del Castillo from the D-backs. Got a greatness loading card for Walker Jenkins. Got Jose Perdomo, Angela Arena, Franklin Andres, Jesus Lopez, foil card, Jack Penny, it looks like team color maybe, Corbin Carroll, Tabik Skubal, and Aaron Judge. So that is the value box. Might get another one of those. That's not too bad. But thank you for watching that break, and I'll catch you on the next one.